you're going to find out how to get last month's name into a cell. So here we have September. This is how we do it. I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. You might know about the formula today, which gives you today's formula, which gives you today's date. And this will be automatically updated every single day, no matter what you do. It'll constantly be changing. But how do we get the name of the month? Well, we need to first get last month. So we're going to do EOMONTH, end of month. And the second option here is going to be the months. If we put in 0, that's this month. But if we do -1, that's last month. It's the end of the month, last month. And now we wrap all of that with text, and we use a format, which is MMMM. It's going to be 4 M's, and that's how we get the name of last month in Google Sheets. If you like this and you want to get more tips, tricks, and get more out of Google Sheets in general, follow here on Better Sheets on YouTube.